Hello everyone, welcome to another video on our channel. Well, welcome to another. As in today's test, I'm going to test a really cool tool that came to me here. So it's a dowel making device. It comes here in this little box. This here is the device. Here it also comes. Look, a little key, a hexagonal Allen key. Here, look. In fact, grooved. And this device then is used to make dowels. Guys, look, dowels like this one here, look. For those who work with carpentry, like to practice carpentry, steal it. Oh, it's definitely going to be an excellent tool. Oh, it's a really cool device. It's here. Look, it's 8.5 by 8 high. So it is built here in aluminum. It has a measurement scale here. With 8 millimeters, 9 millimeters, 10, 12, up to 20 millimeters. Then it comes with this little key here. You loosen it here. Look. You loosen it here and loosen this other screw here. There are 2 screws. This one here, you loosen it completely. Did you loosen it? Then you move it here. Look. Where do you want to make the hole? Enemy victim. 18, 14, anyway, the measurement you want, then you choose here the measurement you want to make the dowel. Then you tighten the screw again. Tighten it here, tighten it in the middle too. Then it is ready to use. I'm going to release this device in the middle here to show you how it works here. Oh, but there's this piece here. It has a 4-sided blade here. So when you get to one of the sides, you can release this screw here and turn it over. You turn it over and use all 4 sides of it. Guys, this device here was sent to me. I'm Banggood, a subscriber asked me, why did I stop making videos? Well, I stopped making videos. You can check it out. The last video I made was a long time ago. So why did I stop making videos? Because the government started taxing the products we buy from abroad and it was getting too high. It was becoming unfeasible for us to pay the value of the product and also the fee that the government was charging. So that's why I stopped making videos. But Banggood, they sent me this product here, this device, and Banggood is paying this fee. So what happens if you buy a product through Banggood? Banggood will pay the fee for you. So the amount you pay for the product will be the amount that is in the advertisement. You will not pay the fee that the government charges. So if you buy it through Banggood, you will not pay the fee. And I will leave the link, guys, in the description of this video and also in the first comment. The link to the then coupon for you to buy this product here, okay? Now, let's go to the test to see if it really works. So guys, to use the tool, I screwed it here on this little piece of wood, okay? You screw it to the bench, which also works. And then I will clamp it here in the vise, look. Okay guys, now to make the dowel here. One little piece of wood. With 2 millimeters, I gave it a little tip here. And here I took it out with a rasp, so I could fit it here in the drill, you see? So we're going to tie it here in the drill. This one here is 12 millimeters, so I'm going to start by passing it here in the 12 millimeter hole. Now I'm going to use the caliper here, guys, so we can see how much the measurement was here. So this one here is a 12 millimeter one that we passed. It was 11. A bit more than 11. 11.15 and 11.20. 11 and 10. We didn't get 12 millimeters. What? Example. Example. I used a 12 millimeter dowel. You're going to have to pass it here, at least in the 14th. And then use it on the sandpaper, this amount here. I would not here. 11 and something. To sand it, it'll probably get close to 10 millimeters here. Oh, 10.70, 10.80. We'll have it down a little more with the sandpaper. 10 millimeters. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to put a thicker one. I'm going to use one here, a little piece of wood with 15 millimeters. And I'm going to sand it here at 16. I sit here at 14. $14.98.97. Now I'm going to send it with a thickest one, which is 20 millimeters. Guy doesn't want to go through, so I'm going to have to take a little bit of the corner off it, you see? I'll make it easier to see if it goes through. All right, guys, look, here we tested the dowel-making device. But you saw it worked very well. Those dowels turned out really cool. I made them in a few different sizes. Okay, it turned out really well. The product is good, in my opinion. It works well, okay? Here, for example, this big hero of 20 millimeters. I passed it there and then I sanded it. It felt in 1943-3. So, for example, if you want to make a peg of 20 millimeters, in that case you can't. It will fall a little. So RRR, 0.30, it won't reach 20 millimeters, okay? For example, this one here, look. This one here, 12 millimeters, I passed it, I sanded it, it fell to 10. 10.70, 10.80, depending on the place. Okay, so you can't make a 12 millimeter peg with it. It won't work because it will fall to at least R. Then if you use sandpaper, it falls even more, and so on, but you can use it. You can buy well, that is compatible with the dowel. For example, if you want to use a 12 millimeter dowel, you will use an 11 millimeter dowel, for example. You will pass it here at 12. It will fall to 11 and a half. If you got a little sandpaper, it will fall a little more too. A little more than 11 and a half. But it works well. The device works well. So that's it, guys. Nice, tested and approved product. I had told in the video that I had stopped making videos. I had stopped doing tests here on the channel. So I'm going to go back to doing tests, okay, guys? Why? Because Banggood, as I said, is paying the fee. So when we buy a product through Banggood, I will leave the link here in the description and in the first comment. So we won't pay the fee. The government is charging beauty, so I want you to leave in the comments suggestions for product testing that you want and that I do, okay. Leave the product that you want me to test, and if it's fine, within my reach, I'll bring it here on the channel and I'll test it for you. Okay? So if you like this video, if it was useful for you, leave your thumbs up, leave your like to strengthen and help our channel. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Until our next test.